Hello my friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, my name is Kateryna and I'm your English teacher from Canada. In today's video, you will learn useful phrases for ordering food at a fast food restaurant. In this lesson, we will focus on 3 kinds of restaurants: a burger joint, a pizza shop, and a sub restaurant. I will explain what kind of food you can order there. Then we will learn 4 practical approaches that you can use in any kind of fast food restaurant. And finally, we will learn 5 phrases specific to each kind of restaurant for 15 in total. I hope you will find this lesson useful and practical for everyday English. Alright guys, let's get started. What is fast food and what is a fast food restaurant? This restaurant is unique. You typically go up to the counter to order food with the cashier. You will see the menu in front of you of all of the options, present your order, and the food is cooked very quickly for you. You will get your food also at the counter. This is different from a sit-down restaurant because there is no server, there is no waiter or waitress to bring you the food. You are responsible for ordering and collecting the food yourself. Fast food restaurants tend to be a more affordable option, although that can be argued. And the whole premise behind it is that it is fast. In and out, and you've got your food ready to be eaten. Here are 4 simple ways to order food at any kind of fast food restaurant. Number 1, be polite and start with a greeting. As you walk up to the counter, you can simply say, "Hello, how are you?" "Hi, how is your day going?" This small gesture goes a long way. 2, say what you would like to order. "I would like," or "I'd like." "Can I have?" "Can I get?" "Could I have?" Any of these are perfectly okay to place your order. By the way, guys, notice that I'm saying place your order. This is a collocation. It means order your food. 3, state if you would like your food for here or to go. Very often the cashier will ask you, "Are you eating here today? Would you like that to go?" Right? So you're gonna say, "Are you eating in the restaurant or are you taking the food somewhere else?" For here means you're eating at the restaurant. Your food will be served on a tray. To go means you're taking the food out. It will be packed in a paper bag. If you have multiple drinks, they will be given to you on a tray. You may get some cutlery and napkins, but be sure to ask for it if you need it. Not all restaurants will give it automatically, so that this can reduce garbage. And finally, 4, show gratitude. You are thankful and grateful for your meal. "Thank you, have a great day." Or more casual, "Thanks, have a good one." Now we will look at each restaurant in more detail, starting with a burger joint. What kind of fast food can you get here? Of course, a hamburger, a cheeseburger, the only difference really being that it has cheese. Some burger restaurants will offer chicken burgers, and you will have a variety of sides. The most common ones are French fries, onion rings, the Canadian special, the poutine, sometimes cheese fries, chili cheese fries, a baked potato, or a side salad. Those tend to be the most common options that I have seen at fast food burger restaurants. Let's dive into our useful phrases. Number 1, order and customize. "I'd like a cheeseburger, please. No onions and no pickles." Customize your burger. If there is an ingredient you don't like, you can ask to have it removed. But what if you really love an ingredient? I'd like a hamburger with extra onion and extra pickles, please. You will get double the regular amount of that ingredient. 2. Add an ingredient. Could I get a chicken burger and can you add tomatoes and cheese, please? Here I am asking to add an ingredient. Usually chicken burgers are served very simply with mayonnaise and lettuce. Mayonnaise is typically shortened as mayo in conversation. 3. Can you make it a combo with fries and a Coke? A combo will include a drink and a side. Different restaurants offer different choices, so be specific about what you want. After you state that you'd like a combo, say what you'd like for your drink and what you'd like for your side. 4. What sides do you offer? Sometimes I am surprised by the variety of sides restaurants offer. So many possible choices. 5. I want my fries unsalted, please. Can I get my fries with no salt? Some restaurants are known to put a lot of salt on their fries. Did you know you can ask for yours with no salt? They will make fresh French fries for you that are unsalted. Enjoy your hamburger and fries. Now let's move on to our second restaurant. Let's learn helpful phrases to order a slice of pizza at a pizza restaurant. I remember when going to a pizza restaurant, your options were very simple. You could order a whole pizza or a slice of pizza. The slices would be ready, so when you walk in, you can see all of the choices behind the glass counter. You choose the one you like and they will warm it up for you. Nowadays, I'm noticing pizza restaurants, perhaps to be competitive with the other restaurants in the area, they're offering more and more choices. You can get things like chicken bites, chicken wings, French fries in some places. But for today, we will focus on a slice of pizza. Remember our useful phrases at the beginning? This first phrase will help you order. I'd like a veggie slice, not warmed up, please. Typically, the person working at the pizza restaurant will put it in the oven for you. Sometimes you might want to take it home and warm it up later. I've certainly done this before. They will just put it in a box for you. 2. How do you like your pizza slice cut? Can you cut the slice in? Can you cut the slice in half? Can you cut the slice in thirds? Don't be shy. Ask the restaurant person to cut it for you how you like it. Sometimes I am sharing a slice of pizza with someone else. They have a pizza cutter, so it makes the job very easy for them. This special knife is called the pizza cutter. It rotates as it cuts the pizza. 3. Do you have any toppings for the pizza slice? I would love some Parmesan cheese and chili flakes. These are very common toppings you can add to your slice of pizza after it is warmed up. Some other ones I have seen are chili oil, Italian seasoning, and garlic salt. 4. Can I get some more napkins? You will likely receive 1 or 2 napkins with your slice of pizza, but it can be greasy. Ask for more. 5. Just like at the burger joint, you can make your slice into a combo. Can you make it a combo, please? At pizza places, it's typically a can of pop and a dip. Although I am seeing a lot more variety being offered at pizza restaurants these days. So take a look at the menu for your choices of sides. They might have a bag of chips or an order of French fries. If you enjoyed this part of the video about ordering a slice of pizza and you'd like to learn more about this topic, I have another pizza lesson about ordering a whole pizza. I will include the link for that video in the description so you can check it out. And now, guys, let's move on to our third restaurant, the sub restaurant. Sub is short for submarine, and it's really a kind of sandwich. A sub is typically made with a longer bun, and perhaps the shape of it kind of resembles a submarine. I think that's how they got their name. Let's dive into our useful phrases. To order your sub, specify if you would like small or large and what kind of sub you would like to get. For example, I'd like a small tuna melt. Can I get a large Italian? May I have a small meatball sub, please? 2. Do you like your bread toasted or not toasted? Can I get the bread toasted, please? Can I get that not toasted, please? Putting your bread in the toaster is optional. Make sure you mention it so the sub is made just the way you like it. 3. Choose your toppings. You just simply have to list them. May I have lettuce, tomato, cucumber, and black olives, please? Oh, can I get some more olives? Thank you. Don't be shy. You can ask for a little bit more. 4. Don't like too much sauce? You can use this helpful phrase, easy on the mayo, easy on the sauce. It means just a little bit of mayo, just a little bit of sauce. 5. Guys, you guessed it. Just like at the pizza and hamburger restaurants, you can make your sub into a combo. The most common sides I have seen at sub restaurants are soup, chips, and freshly baked cookies. Could you make it a combo, please? I'd like a chocolate chip cookie and a Coke. I hope these useful phrases will help you order fast food just the way you like it. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up as it greatly supports my work here on YouTube. And if you have a request for some helpful phrases, make sure you leave me a comment. What kinds of phrases would you like to see next? Thank you so much for watching, and I can't wait to see you in the next English lesson. Bye!